guys, we are back with hoop earrings. I finished up the rhinestones and I didn't find a whole lot, just the gold ones that you guys heard me find. So let's put together our hoops. I have a pair here that are yellow. The gold pair, they're clip-ons. Go in our gold jar. I hope I find a match to that one. That's pretty. We got noise everywhere, don't we? Sorry about that. So here. Gold tone on our gold jar. Some of these big ones, they don't pair up. Out of the way. We'll get them out of the way. Oh, this is a cute earring. I don't know if we'll find a match to it. We may not find a lot of matches at all. This one, I saw a match to it. It's silver tone. Let's see. See if we can find it. Here it is. Yes, those are pretty. Pretty, pretty. Get these bigger ones out of the way, maybe we'll find matches to the smaller ones. That's not a hoop. It's pretty black one. They're cute little earrings. They're J hoops, but there's no match to it. Darn it. It's a beautiful earring. Simple. You know, not big and gaudy. Here's a match. It's got rhinestones on it. They're gold tone. I think I'm going to go ahead and put them in the gold jar anyway. I think they're pretty. They're not missing any stones. Those will be fun to find. Here's a pair. It's a cute heart. is it, isn't it? No more matches. Here's one, maybe. Let's see. There's a match. Those don't match. It's pretty. It's a nice gold tone one. Let's check it out. Let's see. No, no markings. I'm not seeing any on the post either. Pretty earring though. No match. This will be a quick video. There's no matches here. A couple little yellow ones here. Oh, here's a silver tone one. Nice pair. Good condition. I thought I saw another one of these. Here it is. So that's a nice pair. Well, the rest of these will go into our single earring batch. And we have lots of earrings in there already. Here's our single earring batch so far. Plus, we have this baggie of rhinestone earrings that's going to go in that bag. We got one more batch of earrings to go through. So let's go ahead and pour these out and see if we get any pairs from that. These are clip-ons. Here's a pair. Nice. This one by itself. This is by itself. It's by itself. So those will go in the bag. Oh, this is by itself. That's real pretty. I don't know if it's tin or aluminum. It's pretty. It goes in the bag by itself. This one doesn't have a pair either. No pair for that one. This one is a pair. Sometimes you get a lot of single earrings and you just don't find pairs for them. You just get a bunch of single ones. Because they're all single. Not seeing no more pairs. Alright, that's it for that. Oh, wait a minute. We got a pair of frogs. Cute. Alright. Now we can put them in here. And that is all of the earrings. We got our pairs, which is not very many. We got just a few. That's for our pairs. And that's okay. Those will go into our pair box. And that's it. This one I'm going to go ahead and put in. These are unpaired post earrings. And they're just going to go into the craft earring lot as well. So that's probably about 2 pounds of craft earrings. If you're interested in that, it will be on my Etsy shop. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.